Hi, my name's Nicola and I'm from the Grays Retreat, and I'm going to talk to you today about the Stress Positive Eye Lift. Now this has been around for a few years, but it's amazing. So this is your eye cream. So before you moisturise, you would pop an eye cream on. So you've cleansed, you've made sure your skin is nice and clean. You've then toned your skin, and then you've using your eye cream and your serums next. So you squeeze it out of the little metal bit at the end, like that, under the eye, under the eyebrow, and then you'll use this lovely cool tool on the end. So there's the hole, comes out of the top there, and then you use this cool tool, metal tool, to massage it all around the eye. This eye cream is more of a mask. So you wouldn't need to use this every single day unless you had a very dry skin. But it's really good for kind of stress, dehydrated eyes. So massage that in. It really lifts, it really helps with any lines and wrinkles underneath that are normally through dehydration. I'm doing that just to get it off the back of the tool. Really nice to massage over the eyes and underneath the eyebrow. So use the tool to massage it in, and then I finish off with my finger to make sure that's all in nicely. Can you see how hydrating that is? Lovely. Really nice. It's really important to use an eye cream. Our daily moisturisers are too heavy and too thick and not customised to your eye area. So an eye cream is customised to that delicate area, and also depending on what your concerns are, so this is more for lifting and hydrating, then you would use a different eye cream for whatever concerns you have. So if you're quite lined underneath there, then you might use something like multivitamin Power Firm, or something like the Age Reversal eye cream, which is really, really nice, one of my favourites for evening. But I do love to use this one once or twice a week just to really hydrate. And as I said, it's like a mask, so it's really extra special to use around the eye area. So as you can see, that's really nicely hydrated my eye area, and it feels lovely. So that is the Stress Positive Eye Lift Cream from Dermalogica range. It's perfect for every skin type, as I say, more for the dehydrated and needing a bit of firming, a bit of sensitivity, that kind of skin types. After you've used your eye cream, you'd then moisturise and serum, and then makeup, and you're done. There'll be more information about this eye cream and others below. Thank you, bye.